Years we come across different solid objects in our day-to-day life. An object having length, breadth and height or thickness is called solid object. We generally come across cubes, cuboids, cylinders, cones and spheres. These are all called some important solid objects. Just before we start doing problems in our objective questions in mensuration, we should get in touch with some important three-dimensional objects called cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone, sphere and hemisphere. We should also be familiar with some of the important formulae which may be useful in solving objective questions. LS of cube is equal to 4s square, where s is the side of a cube. TS of cube is equal to 6s square. Volume of cube is equal to s cube. Whereas in cuboid, LS of cuboid is equal to 2h into L plus B. It is nothing but the four walls of a room. Area of four walls of a room. TS of cuboid is equal to 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Volume of cuboid is equal to L into B into H. When we come to the curved objects called cylinder, CS of cylinder is equal to 2 pi RH, where R is the radius of the cylinder and H is the height of the cylinder. TS of cylinder is equal to 2 pi R into R plus H. Volume of cylinder is equal to pi R square H. So let us consider one more solid object called cone. CS of cone is equal to pi RL, where R is the radius of the cone and L is the slant height. L is the slant height. TS of cone is equal to pi R into R plus L. Volume of cone is equal to 1 by 3 pi R square H. CS of sphere is equal to 4 pi R square. Volume of sphere is equal to 4 by 3 pi R cube. CS of hemisphere 2 pi R square. TS of hemisphere 3 pi R square. Volume of hemisphere 2 by 3 pi R cube. The CS of a cone with radius 3 centimeters and height 4 centimeters. The formula to be used to find the CS of a cone is pi RL, where L is the slant height. 22 by 7 into radius 3 into radius of the cone is given to be 3 centimeters. Root of L square R square plus H square. Therefore, 22 by 7 into 3 into root 3 square plus H square under root 3 square plus H square is equal to 5. So therefore 22 into 3, 66, 66 into 5, 330. 330 by 7 centimeter square. Therefore the option is C. If three spheres of radii 6 centimeters, 8 centimeters and 10 centimeters are melted to form a sphere of bigger size, then the diameter of the resulting sphere is. So therefore let the diameter of the resulting sphere is R, radius of the resulting sphere is R. Therefore 4 by 3 pi R cube is equal to, since all these three spheres are melted to form a sphere of bigger size, their volume remains the same. Therefore 4 by 3 pi into radius of the first sphere R1 cube plus R2 cube plus R3 cube. So 4 by 3 pi cancel. Therefore R cube is equal to, radius of the first sphere is given to be 6, 8 centimeters and 10 centimeters. Therefore 6 cube plus 8 cube plus 10 cube, that is equal to 1728. Therefore R is equal to cube root of 1728. So 12 12s are 144, 144 12s 1720. Cube root of 1728 is equal to 12 centimeters. Therefore the radius of the resulting sphere is 12 centimeters. Therefore the option is A. Now let's go through some important and objective questions. As far as mensuration is concerned, for Polytechnic and IIIT entrance examination, let's go to the first question. A cylinder and a cone have bases of equal radii and equal heights. The ratio of their volumes is, see here, A cylinder and cone have equal heights and equal radius. Therefore, h and h are equal, heights are equal, radius are also equal. Therefore, when you consider the ratio of volume of cylinder by volume of cone is equal to pi r square h by 1 by 3 pi r square h. Pi r square h get cancelled. 1 by 1 by 3, that is equal to 3:1. Therefore, the ratio of their volumes is 3:1. Option is B. The ratio of volume of a cone to that of a sphere which will fit exactly inside the cube is. Here, according to the problem here, the sphere is fitted exactly inside the cube. Therefore, the diameter of the sphere is same thing as the side of a cube. Therefore, let us consider the volume of a cube, that is equal to s cube. Volume of sphere is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Therefore, 4 by 3 into pi into radius can be taken as the half of the diameter of a sphere here. So, according to the given question, 4 by 3 pi into s by 2 whole cube. So, 4 by 3 pi into s cube by 8. So, when you consider the ratio of V1 by V2, V1 by V2 is equal to s cube by pi s cube by 6, that is equal to 6 by pi. So, the ratio of their volumes is 6:pi. And the sphere is exactly fitted in the cube. Next question. The CSA of a cylinder with radius 3 centimeters and height 4 centimeters is. The CSA of a cylinder with radius 3 centimeters and height 4 centimeters. If the radius and slant height of a cone are 5 centimeters and 13 centimeters, then its height is. If the radius and slant height of a cone are 5 centimeters and 13 centimeters, then its height is. How much is radius given? 5 centimeters and slant height 13 centimeters. We know that L square is equal to R square plus H square. Therefore, 13 square is equal to 5 square plus H square. 169 is equal to 25 plus H square. This implies H square is equal to 144. 25 is brought to left side, 169 minus 25, 144. H is equal to 12 centimeters. Therefore, the option is B. A rectangular sheet of length 44 centimeters and breadth 10 centimeters is folded along its breadth to form a cylinder. Then the radius of the cylinder so formed is. A rectangular sheet of length 44 centimeters and breadth 10 centimeters. And breadth 10 centimeters is folded to form a cylinder along its breadth. When it is folded to form a cylinder along its breadth, the perimeter of cylinder is equal to length of the rectangular sheet. 2 pi r is equal to 44. Therefore, 2 into 22 by 7 into r is equal to 44. Two r is equal to 2r by 7 is equal to 2. 2 also get cancelled. Therefore, r by 7 is equal to 1. R is equal to 7 centimeters. So, therefore, the option is A. Two pi r is equal to 44. 2 into 22 by 7. 44 by 7 is equal to r is equal to 44. R is equal to 44 into 7 by 44. Therefore, R is equal to 7 centimeters. So the option is A. The diagonal of a cuboid with dimensions 9 centimeters into 12 centimeters into 20 centimeters is. Diagonal of a cuboid D is equal to root of L square plus B square plus H square. Therefore, root of 9 square plus 12 square plus 20 square. Root of 81 plus 144 plus 400. This is equal to 625. So root 625 is equal to 25 centimeters. Therefore, the diagonal of a cuboid with these dimensions is 25, and the option is A.